Hey guys, so I got a lot of stuff to do today. It's going to be a productive day here in this place and I'm going to take y'all along with me, so let's go. Alright, so with recording in my room sometimes I want like a clear background, so I'm going to take this painting down. Put that right there. Sit down. I can have this good. I'm going to probably put this right here and then we'll get started. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so it's time for the dishes. These were taken out of the dishwasher, put up there to dry a little bit. So it's now time to put them things up, and then after that, I'm about to make some food because hungry ain't the word, okay? And I'm gonna show you my recipe. Well, I'll show you briefly what I do, and for the pancakes and some turkey bacon and some eggs. That'll be a very late breakfast it's 2:44 right now, so I'll probably be done 3:15, 3:30. No, 3:30. All right, let's go. I don't know, getting things done around my place really makes me feel extremely productive. Like, I feel like a real adult just getting my place together, and it really helps me to kind of clear my mind and focus on one thing at a time, and it allows me to have a nice environment when I want to create, when I want to work, when I want to do art. And I'm thankful for that. But sometimes it's not always like that. Some days I don't feel like doing anything, and I'm grateful for the days that I have the energy. But it really is the effort that you have to put to it. You have to just get up and get it done. Alright y'all, so y'all saw how we got it down. How I had to flip them pancakes. Now, one thing that I also do is heat up the syrup. So if it's in a glass container, I just put it over the stove in some water and heat it up. But if it's in the plastic, then I just take like a glass measuring cup and put some in there and then put it in like some boiling water, because I don't use the microwave. So yeah. All right, we gotta get the bite. The first bite. Hold on. How do y'all do y'all pancakes? Do you eat pancakes? Meaning, like, when I say how do you do them, like, how do you like to make them up? Do you need butter on it? Do you need a lot of syrup? Do you cut them in fours? Do you cut them in triangles? Like, are you banana pancake, chocolate chip? Like, what? Like, let me know in the comments. How do you do them? Okay. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. All right, guys. So let's try. See that one right there? Wait, hold on, hold on. Get clear, get clear, get clear. Okay. Oh, wow. As you do a recipe over and over, it should get better and better and better. And I'm gonna say, it got better. It was really good. It's pretty fluffy. Like, what? Let me open up a restaurant. And the crispy edges, y'all. You need the I'm not gonna say that anymore. You load up your pan with a lot of butter, so it can get in the middle, but the edges, come on, come on, come on. Right, I'm gonna eat this. Ooh, and keep watching some YouTube. So I just got done eating, guys, and it was really good. I'm really grateful for the ability to cook. Like, thank you, Lord. But I'm about to get some editing done, and I'm gonna call it a day. It is the beginning of the new year, and I'm just going to relax. Like, I don't have the time to be doing too much. I did it earlier in the day, as y'all can see, and yeah. So I hope you guys are having a good new year so far, taking this time to rest. I know that's something that I'm trying to do way more this year, and I believe that this is going to be a really good year for all of us. I only say that because I know how words are powerful. So I'm already just speaking it and believing it and knowing that there are life in the words that we say, and especially over ourselves. So I'm just speaking that it will be a upward promoting year, a great year of just good things for us. So if you're watching this one, I pray all the best for you in this year, and that you see just great things. You get some relief, you get some wins, you know what I mean? Because sometimes if you've had a lot of losses, a win can be that medicine that we need to really heal our hope, to heal our hearts and heal our souls. So listen, I get it. But thank you guys so much again for watching this. I hope you have a great rest of your day and a great start to your new year. And I'll see y'all in the next video.